Hello, Persian Technical Analyst is here with another lesson. Today I want to talk about best time to trade in Forex. What is the best time? Apparently, as a trader, we would love to trade in a best time because of the volume. We are not trading in a dead market, which the movement of the market is zero. We are love to take advantage of more pips, more price movement. So there is a best time of a day, every day, best time of a day, which all the traders, most of the traders, they are living in different part of the world. They are taking look at this time. As you can see, there is two websites. You can easily convert your time zone to this chart. This is coming from the Forex Factory. We will have a review on that website. It's pretty interesting website. We will review that one in the next videos, but today I want to focus on this timing. It doesn't matter where are you living right now. The only matter is that you should pick the best time. In my experience, in my past experience, I would love to be in the market in this time overlap of the London, New York. It depends on which time frame you are trading. If you are a daily trader, swing trader, it doesn't matter to you. But if you are a day trader, like who trade in a 5 minutes, 15 minutes, it is really matter. So the best time of the day, it's New York, London overlap. There is another overlap between Asia, Tokyo market and London, which is good, but in general, this is the time. This is the time I would love to trade. And this is my first recommendation for you. Try as soon as possible. Take your trade in this overlap. It's pretty interesting volume. You can always find the volume. The momentum. We are talking about momentum. We are talking about the buying. We are talking about the buyer and seller power, which in this time it's absolutely awesome, especially for those who wants to take advantage of the being in the momentum, advantage of riding a trend. There is a dead market after a closing New York exchange market. Some of the traders use as a reversal strategy. That's kind of, I don't recommend trading in Asia. I never get used to it. I never like it. Maybe that's my experience. Maybe you have the different things, different thoughts, different emotion, mentality, techniques, which helps you to be profitable in that Asian market. My experience is not good with the Asian market. Maybe yours, it's gonna be awesome. Next slide. This is the Forex exchange market. This is the best time. London, New York. London, New York. This is the best time of the day to trade. But as you can see in the chart, the market is working all day long, because in every hour, in every minute, in every second, there is some guy needs to buy some currency and there is another guy to sell the currency. So this is a buying and selling. It brings the volume to the market. In this series, my goal is to educate more about very little things maybe you ignore in your trading style. I have many experience. I've worked with many students in past years, and I found out sometimes very little things can improve your result very well. And for example, I remember that I had a student who was trading 2 years in Tokyo, and he was staying, he told me he was staying all day night, 2-3 hours midnight taking a position, but he couldn't take a position, or whenever he took position, the price goes sideways. So that's not a mark. We work on his trading plan and we switched his trading plan to the New York time. I couldn't believe that how much improvement he got. He improved a lot. Apparently his strategy works well in New York exchange market. If you have a strategy which is not working right now, Maybe you need to step forward. You change your routine. You should change your timing. This is the first decision you can make. Many strategies designed for a specific market, designed for a range market or trend market. So you should improve. Please let me know your feedback about this strategy, your improvement you're getting, and we are here to help. We are here to communicate with you, and I'm here to see your best result by the end of this course. See you in the next session.